Let's check out another preset. Let's go to Effects and check out 16-bar riser. This is a much more complicated preset than the previous one. Let's hear what it sounds like. And let's take a look at what it's doing. Noise is turned on, sub is off, oscillator A and oscillator B are being used, along with our filter and a few effects. But let's start off by taking a look at our matrix, because we can see right down here, there's 3 modulators on our mod wheel, 7 on LFO1, and 2 on LFO2. So there's a lot of stuff going on. Let's take a look at it in the matrix. LFO1, LFO1, there's 5 here. Then there's 3 mod wheels, 2 LFO2s, and 2 more LFO1s, giving us 7 total. Let's take a look at each one of them. First one is oscillator A, coarse pitch. Oscillator B, coarse pitch, which is right here, the coarse pitch of each one of them. Then we have B, wavetable position, which is the wavetable position for this. Then noise pitch, the pitch over here. Let's hit this. Pitch over here. Filter cutoff over here, our filter. A and B, unison detune, which are these right here. These detunings for 5 voices for this one and 5 voices for this one, right here. So that's just LFO1. Then LFO2 has the noise level and the filter cutoff. LFO2, our noise level, and our filter cutoff. So filter cutoff has both LFO1 and LFO2 combined. So it's going to do both. It's going to go up here, and after it gets done, it's going to go back down over here. But all this other stuff just has LFO1, slowly building, which is why the sound sounds like that. Slow build. Notice all the different things changing all at once. Most of them based on LFO1, and a couple of them based on LFO2. But also, we have our mod wheel right here, which we haven't even used yet, for noise level and warp for both oscillator A and oscillator B. The warp's right here. So let's play this again, and this time I'll move the mod wheel to hear what it does. It just adds some more interest to the sound. And after all that, we have some effects. Some delay, and reverb, and hyper, and dimension. Just to make it sound more ethereal. Nothing special here. So let's try to change this a bit to customize it for our own needs. Right now, LFO1 is 16 bars long. So that's pretty long. Let's lower it to 2 bars. So it'll do all the same things a lot quicker. or 4 bars. We could also change the filter. If we turn it off, add some more resonance to it. Slow it down a bit. And we could also change how it ramps up. Right now it's linear, but it doesn't have to be. Let's make this a bit quicker. And let's make it slower in the beginning and faster in the end. Or the opposite. Faster in the beginning and slower at the end. And let's try using bend instead. For our what mode? Or mirror? And we could also turn off mono, so we could have multiple voices doing this at the same time, and therefore creating a more overlapping effect. But let's lower the master out so it doesn't distort. Obviously, there's many different things we could do with this, but I think you get the idea. How we could use the modulation in many different ways to control many different things, to create some cool special effects, and be able to control their timing. For instance, let's put this back. And besides choosing by the bar, we could do it freely by turning BPM off. So anyway, that's the effects preset, 16 bar riser. Let's move on to another.